Welcome to You the Vision. Today, we step into the mind of a man who didn't just change science, he changed how we understand reality itself. His name is Albert Einstein, and he bent time and space with nothing more than thought. Born in 1879 in the German Empire, Einstein was quiet, curious, and famously slow to speak as a child. But inside his mind, entire worlds were forming. He didn't learn the way others did, and that's precisely what made him a genius. At age 16, Einstein imagined something extraordinary. What would it be like to ride a beam of light? That simple question sparked a revolution in physics, because to think like Einstein was to question what others took for granted. In 1905, while working as a clerk in a Swiss patent office, Einstein published a paper that would change the world, the special theory of relativity. It claimed something almost unthinkable, that time itself is not fixed, and that the faster you move, the slower time passes for you. It wasn't just theory, it was a complete shift in how we view the universe. And then came his most famous equation, E equals sine mc2. Energy equals mass, multiplied by the speed of light squared. A simple formula, with explosive implications. It meant that matter and energy are two sides of the same coin. It meant that stars burn through this conversion. It meant, ultimately, that even the atomic bomb was possible, a truth that would later haunt Einstein deeply. But Einstein wasn't done. 10 years later, in 1915, he introduced his general theory of relativity. While others thought of gravity as a force, Einstein saw it as the curving of space and time around massive objects. Imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline, now roll a marble nearby. The marble curves toward the ball, not because it's pulled, but because the surface is warped. That's gravity, through Einstein's eyes. And when scientists later confirmed his predictions watching starlight bend during an eclipse, Einstein became a global icon overnight. But fame never changed him. He refused wealth, turned down political power, and used his voice to speak for peace, equality, and human rights. He warned of nuclear danger, supported civil rights in America, and remained deeply humble about his own fame. Despite his unmatched intellect, Einstein saw wonder in the simplest things. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." And the most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. In his final years, Einstein searched for a unified theory of everything, a single framework that would connect gravity with quantum mechanics. He never found it, but his questions still guide physicists today. Albert Einstein died in 1955, but his mind lives on, not just in science books or blackboards, but in GPS satellites, nuclear physics, astrophysics, and even the way we think about time. He didn't just explain the universe, he expanded it. Thanks for watching You the Vision. If this story inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more.